I'm Darren Wells. I'm the professor of outdoor education and leadership here at the Alpine Science Institute of Central Wyoming College. What's changing now is we're developing a trail lab. So we're building one-way, purpose-built mountain bike trails in addition to the interpretive trails that we have and hiking trails. So what we're turning this place into is a laboratory where people can come and experience many different kinds of trails. So that's a pretty huge perk for anyone who likes to hike or bike.